Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Washington Boulevard towards Halfway Tree. So we are on Washington Boulevard now, and we are going to be going on to Dunrobin Avenue and then Constant Spring Road, and that will take us into Halfway Tree. So when you're driving into the city of Kingston and you want to get from Mandela Highway to Halfway Tree, this is the route you take. Take Washington Boulevard, and at this light, when we go over the light, we go on to Dunrobin Avenue. Turn left, we take Lindsay Crescent up to Constant Spring Road. So we're going to go straight and go on to Dunrobin Avenue. So there are two main ways to get to Halfway Tree. This route that we're on, there's also another route where you can go via Spanish Town Road onto Hagley Park Road, and then that takes you up to Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree is very important because it's the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree has also the largest transportation hub in Jamaica in the Halfway Tree Transport Center. And Halfway Tree itself is a major transportation hub. You can get a bus from Halfway Tree to go almost anywhere. So this is Dunrobin Avenue now, and you can see it's a very commercial area. On the left you have a lot of business places, on the right as well. So this intersection now, okay, look at, you see why you need the concrete barricades in Jamaica? Unbelievable. That car just made an illegal turn. Okay, if you turn left here now, you take Constant Spring Road up to the Manor Park area or up to Shortwood Road. Turn right, you take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. Alright, so we're turning right and heading towards Halfway Tree. So on the right is the Melgrove High School, very prominent high school in Jamaica, very popular. On the left now is National Supply, hardware store, and Island Dairies is on the left. On the right is Marketplace, and over there you have a lot of restaurants. You also have Incomex, which is a major supplier in the computer industry, technology stuff. So at this intersection now, turn left, you go onto West Kings House Road. You can't turn right here, but on the right is the Ministry of Justice facility. Sometimes you have to wonder if motorbikes have a different road code from cars, because they always seem to be running the red light. It's as if they have a different road code. So on the left is Popeyes. Now, Constant Spring Road is very popular or famous in Jamaica because it has more malls or plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. And some of the most successful plazas in Jamaica are on this road. Some of the most popular. But if you have a main road that leads into the busiest place in Jamaica, then naturally it's going to have a lot of traffic. So on the left is Lane Plaza, followed by Village Plaza, followed by Mall Plaza, followed by Tropical Plaza, followed by Premier Plaza. All those plazas are on the left. And I'm sure you've heard those names before. And it looks like a Starbucks coffee is now in Mall Plaza. Didn't know that. Okay. Now on the left we have a lot of plazas as well. So you have the Springs here now, where you have the KFC, then you have Central Plaza, then you have Pavilion. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.